guys, so I know it's been a while since I've posted or shared any content about Ghost, and a lot of that has been deliberate because I honestly didn't want to do anything more to the car. I felt like the more you did, and I think I made mention of it in one of the first videos I posted, you know, the more you do to it, I think it takes away from the car. It's kind of like less is more sort of thing. So I was very reluctant to add anything else, at least as regards any exterior modifications. But you know, as a car enthusiast, you kind of just have to, you know, because you know, what's the point of getting the car if you're just gonna leave it blah? So I ordered something for Ghost. It's a spoiler. It's nothing extravagant, you know, not one of those big over-the-top spoilers, because I think that would definitely be too much. So it's something very simple that I think will enhance the look of the car without being over the top. So without further ado, so this is Ghost as she sits proudly in the parking lot. And for those of you that didn't understand what I meant by spoiler, it's just an exterior mod that will be placed here on what's sort of like a built-in spoiler itself. As you can see, this impression made here on the trunk. So the spoiler will be added here, and it's going to be black, and that I think will enhance the overall look of the car, make it a little more aggressive and sporty. So let's see how it comes out. This is the name of the company that I ordered the spoiler from. They're called Spoiler King. It's my first time ordering from this company, but I saw a lot of good reviews on their website and on the internet. So I'm expecting good things. So let's have a look at the product itself, and hopefully it comes out as good as it looks in the images I saw. This is what it looks like, and they made specific mention to the fact that it's a G70, so it should fit, I think, anything from the 2018 to the present models. And as you know, in 2022 they did a refresh of the design of the G70, so it still fits essentially. So let's unwrap it and install it. Inside the packaging we have the spoiler. Spoiler King gave us some stickers, you know, I guess the branding, which is pretty cool. And then there is an adhesive wipe and some adhesive promoting fluid, and then also just general instructions on how to do the installation. So we're gonna go ahead, follow these instructions, and let's see how it comes out. This is it, guys. Finished. It's on there pretty firmly. They gave very strict recommendations on how to go about the installation process to ensure firm fitment. They did mention that it will reach maximum integrity in about 72 hours. So won't be doing much else to it in hopes that attain that maximum integrity. But this is a look from the side. I really like the black and white contrast. I really like how it fits. It does make the car look a bit more aggressive, which is what I was going for. I really like it. You guys can let me know what you think. still maintain that I'm not going to be doing much else. It's probably the last exterior modification that I will do, but I really do like it. I love how it just pops off and gives the car that aggressive look that I honestly want. So you guys let me know what you think, and if you have anything else that you recommend that I do, then please let me know. So just finished installing the spoiler. I don't know, I must say I am really enjoying the look, and I just got a few compliments in the gym parking lot because I'm heading to the gym right now. That's kind of all you really hope for as a car enthusiast. You do these things, it makes you happy and it makes other car enthusiasts happy, you know. So mission accomplished. Interestingly, I was at the gym after I finished installing the spoiler in the car, and you know, somebody came up to me in the parking lot when I parked, and it turns out that they're actually interested in buying the exact make and model of my car, and you know, they had some questions. So I shared everything that I liked about the car, everything that I disliked. And they also noticed the spoiler, and they absolutely loved the look. So that made me really happy. And I think that's what, you know, being a car enthusiast is about. You know, you do things that make you happy with the car, and then it also makes other car enthusiasts happy, and then everybody's happy, and everybody goes home feeling good about themselves. So I'm really happy with the decision. I hope you guys are happy with the look as well. And again, if there's anything else that you'd like to see me do, any recommendations, especially people that have a G70 as well, that have done things, you know, I'm open to hearing any ideas that you have, because I really want this to feel like mine. It is mine, but I want it to look spectacular.